Last month, I made over $42,000 selling digital products.
Canva is very interesting.
How to actually make anywhere from $700 to $1,000 a day with Canva.
Free editing, photo editing tool that can allow you to actually make money.
Canva is a website that you can use totally for free that has everything you need for your designs built right in, so you have access to tons of free photos, graphic elements, fonts, and design features.
To understand how to make money with Canva, you must know three things: design, business methods, and marketing. It will be explained in detail. Let's start with the design. What is meant by planning is the appropriate distribution of elements. Example, if we take any design and put 4 lines on it, you will see a difference in the distribution of elements with the lines so that they appear coordinated. It's the rule of thirds. Let's understand it quickly. Suppose we have a design that is 9 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters long. Divide the width into 3 parts and the length into 3 parts. Then we draw lines. We will see 4 points. We will number these points from 1 to 4. The rule says that the viewer's concentration on point 1 is 41%, point 2 is 25%, point 3 is 20%, and point 4 is 14%. The closer the element is to a point, the greater the concentration ratio to equal the point. You can collect our points to get a higher concentration score. Let's take an example. If we moved to Canva and used a random design, in order to add layout to the design, we'll click on a file, then click on Settings, then click Add Guides, then click Add Guides again. From the search box, I will search for flowers. From the graphics option, I will choose a flower. I will combine the first point with the second point to get a concentration of 66%. I will move the flower between the 2 points. Then I will add text. Then I will write flower. Then I will look for a background. I will add the background shown in front of you. Then I'll move it to the back. Then I will change the font color, type, and size. I will move it between points 3 and 4. This is how the final design is finished. You will notice that your concentration on the flower is higher than your concentration on the text. 3 primary colors, red, yellow, blue. Mixing 2 primary colors will produce secondary colors. Repeated mixing will produce other secondary colors. This is how we form a color wheel. Your role as a designer is to choose harmonious colors. With the color wheel, you will have a range of ways to choose colors. The first way? Monochrome coordination. It means choosing one color with different shades. The second way? Complementary color coordination. It means choosing 2 opposite colors with different shades. Analogous color coordination. Any choice of 3 adjacent colors on the color wheel. And other ways to choose colors. If you go to Canvas, this tool will appear in front of you to choose colors. There are all ways to choose colors as shown in front of you. Here you can edit or copy the color. There are also other tools that will help you choose colors. The link is in the description. If you notice the difference in font formatting between the 2 images, you will notice that the second picture is better. Text formatting depends on font type, layout, and colors. What you should do is choose a maximum of 3 font types. Use layout to make text consistent with other elements. Also choose colors that match the design. Let's say you are a business owner and you need a logo, advertisements, presentations, charts, business directory, and website element. How can you help me as a designer? A template is a ready-made design that contains a set of reusable elements. You can design a template on Canva and then display it on template selling sites like Etsy, Creative Market, and Envato. There are many templates that you can sell, like social media template, brand identity, and layouts. Many services are available online, such as designing advertisements, presentations, and logos. Just go to Canva, design a cover that reflects the service you provide. Then upload the cover to Fiverr, then write a title and description of the service. Then set a good price. There are many websites for selling services. Do you You see these templates? All templates on Canva are created by designers. You can earn money on Canva through design. You can design elements and templates or take pictures. Your earnings are calculated based on the number of times your design is used by users. You can also become a designer on Envato. Whether it's a template or a service, SEO is important to you to increase your product's visibility to customers. SEO depends on two basic things: profile and product list. Let's start with profile SEO. You need to improve your profile to gain customers' trust. Create a relevant and attractive brand. Design an image that reflects the services you provide. Write a description that will attract customers, taking into account keywords. As for SEO for product listing, depends on title, description, image, and keywords. Choose a good keyword. Use keyword to write a consistent and attractive title and description. Create an image that shows the service you offer. The Allura website will help you with this task. It has a keyword search tool. For keyword analysis, it will provide you with search volume and competition information. It also suggests you related keywords and the most prominent search results. There is also a tool to improve writing the title, description, and tags, and many other tools. I will also leave you links to all the tools mentioned in the description. It is very important to publish your designs on social media, like Instagram and Pinterest, to attract a larger audience. But the best place to publish your designs is on websites dedicated to creators and designers, like Behance and Dribbble. Through these websites, you will display your designs to a targeted segment of the audience. You will also get high views. They will allow you to put links to the templates and services you sell. Paid marketing will speed up the sales process. All platforms mentioned in the video have an advertising program, so you can create a paid ad.